আলিয়ে পদুলিয়ে চাই দেখিলো যাকে যাকে ৰূপহী।
Well struck. That is desperately close. I just think he's on fire today. That was a great strike. It's a good hit, saved by the keeper. Big opportunity this from the corner. And a sublime header. Good save. And he shoots and scores! No attempt to play the ball. Free kick. It's a good save.